Hey my lovelies, so I've just created this eye look full face and makeup for you, and it's using the Me, Myself and Mitchell palette, which is amazing by the way. If you haven't got it, I would definitely recommend it. I've even put lashes on, which I suck at and I've probably not done it right, but I am loving it and I hope you do too. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I use the shade Medium, and I'm going to just base my eyelids with this. What's great about this palette is that there's an awesome mirror inside, so we're going to be using that today. I'm just going to take my NYX 25 brush and I'm just going to get all that blended in. So Gary's away with work, so I thought I'd spend my time whilst he's away and whilst Echo's very quiet, although she's right there, so if the camera starts doing this, it's because she's knocking it with her nose, but there we go. I thought I'd spend my time actually doing some makeup looks, because usually in the evenings when I get home from work I just want to spend some time with Gary, or just have some chill time, or to walk the dog, and it just ends up being really crazy. So I thought it's probably really good just to take this time and actually catch up on doing some makeup videos, which I really missed. So now my eyelids are based. Now my eyelids are prepped. There we go. Now my eyelids are prepped. I'm actually going to take the Me, Myself and MMMitchell. Me, Myself and Mitchell, and I'm going to just look at this. It's like a bible of amazing colours. Echo's nibbling on my feet at the moment, lovelies. I don't know what I'm going to create today. I just thought I would see how I get on and just kind of create a full face, just enjoy it and just kind of really like take a deep dive and just test out these colours. Before I go into eyes, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to just take my Maybelline New York brow pencil, and I'm just going to take that and just fill in my eyebrows. May as well get this out of the way. It doesn't take me very long to do my brows. I find it really quite simple because my eyebrows are obviously already quite thick. There we go. Just going to take my kind of, looks like a mascara brush. I'm just going to brush the brows up slightly. And then I'm going to take my NYX Professional Makeup, and this is the Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Brunette. And I'm going to just go over my eyebrows with this. And this just keeps them in place, which I say in every video where I do my eyebrows. It just keeps them defined and in place. The tinted doesn't actually come up on my eyebrows, but I like that it just keeps my eyebrows really neat. So there's that, love it. Right, so now my eyebrows are done, I can get on doing the eyes. That was just me stalling to try and figure out what it is that I wanted to do. So, okay. I'm thinking today, I did get a comment on my Instagram, and someone asked me to go in with Shimoni, which is such a scary colour for me. So I'm going to avoid that today. But I will actually get onto that because I think I need to kind of figure that out. I think I need to have a play around with the look. But I think I'm going to go with pinks today. So I'm going to go in with Mr. H. I'm going to take a small blending brush, and I'm going to take the NYX Professional number 32 brush, and I'm going to dip into Mr. H, and I'm going to just blend that into my crease. And I'm just going to keep blending that out. I just want to make that eyeshadow pop as best as I can. I'm just going to lift that slightly into my brow, like so. This is such a beautiful colour, and it's really pigmented, like not a lot of pink shades this colour actually show up on my skin. I struggle so badly. My friend Anna actually purchased this palette for my 30th birthday, and that was in September, and it's taken me this long to actually start doing some tutorials. No. So now that's all done, it's all in my crease. I'm going to actually dip into the shade Meaty right here, which is a gorgeous kind of like shimmery shade, and it's very, very, very beautiful. And I'm just going to use my finger this time, and I'm just going to pop that on my lid. So I just want to neaten that up slightly, so I'm just going to take a different flat brush, and this is the Spectrum A07, and I'm going to dip into Meaty, which actually keeps flaking everywhere, which is annoying, but there we are. And I'm just going to kind of try and go in and neaten that up. I'm going to take my blending brush with Mr. H on and just go back into my crease, just to smooth that out a little bit. Like so. Now both of those eyelids are done. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup. So, I'm not yet done with the eyes, but I need to apply the rest of my makeup to finish the look. So, what am I going to do? What am I going to do first? So what I'm actually going to do is prep my skin. So I'm just going to go in with my Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to spritz my face. Like so. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just go over any of my acne scars. I've really, really missed doing like proper makeup tutorials. It's really fun to actually sit down and do a full look, which I haven't really done in the longest of times. Now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser. So normally I'd put foundation on, but this is kind of just as good as a foundation for me. And I'm just going to take my Real Techniques 200 Expert Face Brush, and I've just put a pea size on the back of my hand. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Just going to put a bit of concealer under my eyes, which I rarely do, but I feel like because this is a full face, we're going to do it. I'm actually just going to take the same concealer and just put little dots underneath my eyes, and that's about as good as it gets. I'm going to take my brush and just going to use my finger to really get in there. The problem with this concealer, I love it, but it creases the hell. Like, it makes you look like you've got really bad lines underneath your eyes because it creases into every nook and cranny possible. So I like to just use my finger and just get really in there, like so. Ta-da! And I'm actually going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder, just to bake that a little bit. Just pop some in the lid. And take this little brush right here. Let's just get that all set in. I'm just going to tap off those excess and just get that set, because I think that might help stop it from creasing. Just put that in my oily T-zones as well, because I don't want to get greasy. So next I'm going to use the Hollywood Flawless filter, and I use the shade 5 Tan. This is my favourite highlighter. You put this underneath your foundation, you put it over the top just to kind of give you a glow. I'm just going to pop this here, just where I'd normally put my highlighter. And I'm just going to use my Real Technique angled brush and just, okay, you can't eat my palette, thank you. Blend this in. So now that's done, I'm going to finish off my eyes. So I'm going to go back into my palette. I'm actually just going to go back in with Mr. H. I was considering going in with the MMMitchell, but I think that's probably too red for this look, maybe. Or redder than I'd want this look to be. I want it to be quite pink, so we're going to do that. I'm just going to use my Spectrum A112 brush. I'm literally just going to go under my lower lashes. And I'm really just going to smoke that out. Very pink, pink, pink. And then I'm going to take another little brush, and this is the BH Cosmetics 015 brush. And I'm going to go in with Muffin, which is this shade right here, which is like a iridescent pinky white shade. Or it's a white shade with pink sex, I'm going to put that into my inner corner. Just to really make those inner corners pop. Like so. So that's the eyes done, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I need to put on some blusher. So I'm actually going to go in with my little NARS Orgasm blusher, which it looks like this little cutie right here. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques buffing brush and just put that on my cheeks. And I like to just like tap it into my skin. I'm not a contour girl. You guys know I don't really contour at all, ever. But I do love a blush. I'm actually going to put a bit more highlighter on. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter. And I'm going to take this brush, which is a NYX Makeup number 26 brush. Tap that off, and I'm literally just going to go over my cream highlighter. To get that to pop a little bit more, to have an idea of using that pink shade that's in my inner corner. My camera died. Annoying. But anyway, so what I've done is actually I've gone in with Muffin and just put that over my highlight, and it looks so awesome. I'm just going to do it with this side because I haven't done this side yet. And I'm literally just going to dab it on, put it into my brow here. You can see, oh, that is amazing. I'm just going to pop that onto my cheek slightly as well, but that just looks wow. So I need to put on some mascara, and then I'm actually going to put some lashes on, which I never do, so I'm going to do it off camera. So bear with me for that. I'm just going to use my NARS Climax mascara just to coat my lashes. Now I'm going to quickly pop on some fake lashes off camera, so bear with me. Okay, so I've just put on these monstrous lashes, which I never normally do, and it takes me forever to do them, and I never get them right, and they're probably still not right. Don't judge me. The Kiss Lash Contour Foam Mink Collection lashes, these ones, are these massive things that are on my lashes right now, but I gave my other lashes to my friend's daughter, so these will have to do, and they're crazy, but I don't care. Here we go. So now that's done, we're going to apply some lipstick. I'm actually going to wear lip gloss today, so I'm going to go in my NYX Professional Makeup lip pencil, and this is in San Diego, and I'm going to just line my lips and then just fill them in as well. I've just overdrawn them slightly, just to give myself that like fuller lip. And then I'm going to go in with my Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, which I have been dying to use this So it's the first time I'm going to use this today. This is what it looks like, by the way. It's lush. This is called Peekaboo. I'm just going to gloss my lips up. Like so. And I'm just going to fix my hair and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. I'm still not too crazy about these lashes. Not that they're not great lashes, I just feel like I've not done them right, and I probably haven't, and there's going to be loads of people in the description box going, no, they're not on right, they're not even. Apologies. I'm awful at them. Anyway, this is the final makeup look. I really love how it turned out. I love the pink. I love this palette. This palette is just insane. Like, the colour combinations, everything is just incredible, and I am so excited to kind of dive into a load of other colours and just really work on my skill and kind of bring the colours to life and just see what like looks I can create with them. But I hope you enjoyed this first tutorial using this palette. I really wanted to do this justice, and hopefully I kind of have. And I know I need to get better, and I'm still kind of working on makeup tutorials and makeup looks. I'm still not a makeup artist, guys, so please bear that in mind when you're actually watching this tutorial. I'm not a makeup artist. I just enjoy playing around with makeup and trying to create good looks that you guys would enjoy watching and maybe recreating. And obviously, as a makeup artist, if you are one, you would get it, you know, amazing and make it look fabulous. But this is just my attempt. So yeah, it's been a long video, but I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.